I had a great time visiting my friends in Terrace, and they told me about lava beds nearby, so I took a detour north. Not many cars take this route, so it was very peaceful and scenic. Apparently 50 years ago, somebody piped water to this tree from a nearby spring. The lava fields were incredible. I'd never seen such expansive amounts of basalt. This eruption occurred about 250 years ago and took out a village of 2,000 people. Aside from some lichen, not much plants grow on the basalt. Past the lava fields, I had to travel about 50 kilometers on a logging road. I saw a couple bears.
What a beautiful day out today.
Lots of mosquitos where I camped, but a great place to store my food. I also saw this really cute fox, which was awesome. I also biked through the small town of Katwanga and stopped at Battle Hill, where two native villages fought each other a long time ago. This school bus used gas instead of diesel. Not good. I soon passed through Smithers and picked up some groceries. What a nice small town. The water from the Bulkley River was delicious. I soon biked up Hungry Hill, which was a very steep climb. I ended up taking a break and cooking some nice spaghetti at the top of the hill. Houston, British Columbia has Canada's largest fishing rod. All throughout BC, I've just been astounded by the natural beauty. The north is amazing.
We're now on day 13, kind of crazy.
Eventually, I arrived in Prince George where my cousins live. We had lots of fun visiting and playing games. I hadn't seen them in 4 years. We did a hike up Teapot Mountain, which was a lot of fun. Then we went out rowing on a lake. What a wonderful second week of my trip.